Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to superscript in Canva. So unfortunately there's no such thing as like where Canva will superscript for you. You have to do it yourself obviously. So I am going to show you how you can do it by yourself. It's quite simple, you don't need to worry. So let's go to the text. You can simply tap T enter and here goes the text box. So let's type the letter A, make it a bit like hues. Okay, we can do this as well, make it bold. So let's say I want to superscript this one over here. For this, let's make it a little larger. So for this, what you have to do is, this is where you want to superscript, right? You have to type another number, like let's type in 2 again, make it a smaller one, and I think this one will do. Skip it over here on top of the A. So as you can see, this is like different lettering right now, so we're gonna have to make it like in one block. So there's the option of where you can simply select these two boxes, you can right click and there will come the option of group. So let's tap in there and now it has become one. So this is how you superscript in Canva. You have to do it like manually obviously, so it's quite simple, no need to worry at all. And this is how superscript. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.